An ancient stone circle site was damaged by fire, prompting a police investigation. Extensive damage was caused to the area around the early Bronze Age Nine Ladies Circle after an open fire was used to cook food. The fire, which took place during a recent heatwave, damaged around 200 square metres of moorland at the site in Derbyshire. Investigating officers said the stone circle, which is situated at Stanton Moor, is a scheduled monument and is therefore protected by law. They appealed for information and witnesses to help catch the person or people responsible. PC Emerson Buckingham from Derbyshire Police's Rural Crime Team said it's clear to see from the images taken that someone has had an open fire to cook food. The blaze started on the 18th of July when the UK was experiencing very high temperatures, in some cases above 40 degrees Celsius. PC Emerson added, "This is one of many fires caused, not only this year but for many years, by people who think it's okay to start open fires or have barbecues on land that is tinder dry. No damage was caused to the stones themselves." In a familiar folkloric tale, English Heritage Information states that the stone circle was traditionally believed to depict 9 ladies turned to stone as a penalty for dancing on a Sunday. A 10th stone was actually unearthed in 1977. The stone circle is part of a complex of prehistoric circles and standing stones on the ancient Stanton Moor landscape. So if you know anything about who started the fire, don't forget to contact Derbyshire Police. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe.